Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of getting a replacement for a lost Rogers credit card online. Now, if you've misplaced your card and need a new one, follow these steps to get it sorted quickly. So now let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Rogers Bank. Click on the official Rogers Bank website to begin. Once you're on the website, sign into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. So after logging in, navigate to the account services or manage my card section. Look for the option that says report a lost or stolen card. Click on this option to proceed. During the reporting process, you will be asked if you want to request a replacement card. Confirm that you need a new card and ensure that all your contact details are up to date. So after completing the request, you will need to wait for your replacement card to be sent to you. It should arrive within a few business days. And that's how you get a replacement for a lost Rogers credit card online. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.